Which city in India is known as the land of black diamond? Answer: Asansol. Which city in India is known as the temple city of India? Answer: Bhubaneswar. Which place in India is known as the city of Nizams? Answer: Hyderabad. Which city is known as the city of weavers? Answer: Panipat. Which city is known as the Deccan Queen? Answer: Pune. Which city is known as the city of destiny? Answer: Vishakhapatnam. Which city is known as the city of festivals? Answer: Madurai. Which city is known as the Switzerland of India? Answer: Kashmir. Which city is known as the wine capital of India? Answer: Nasik. Which city is known as the city of Nawabs? Answer: Lucknow. Which city is known as the city of spices? Answer: Kollam. Which city is known as the city of chilies? Answer: Guntur. Which city is known as Steel City of India or Pittsburgh of India? Answer: Jamshedpur. Which city is known as Royal City? Answer: Patiala. Which city is known as Land of Warriors? Answer: Zenjiputo. Which city is known as Sun City or Blue City? Answer: Jodhpur. Which city is known as Oxford City of South India? Answer: Tirunelveli. Which city is known as Queen of Mountains? Answer: Mussoorie. Which city is known as Mango City? Answer: Malda. Which city is known as City of Litchi? Answer: Muzaffarpur. Which city is known as Land of Knowledge? Answer: Nalanda. Which city is known as City of Letters? Answer: Kottayam. Which city is known as Silk City of India? Answer: Bahalpur. Which city is known as Scotland of India? Answer: Kurk. Which city is known as Textile City of India? Answer: Coimbatore. Which city is known as Coal Capital of India? Answer: Dhanbad. Which city is known as Paris of India? Answer: Jaipur. Which city is known as City of Joy? Answer: Kolkata. Which city is known as Yoga City? Answer: Rishikesh. Which city is known as City of Restless? Answer: Kolhapur.